Welcome home. So before we go and look at the house that you just saw me walking into, I'm gonna give you a little bit of stats. So we're gonna give you a tour of 512 Magnolia Street today. It's a beautiful historic home located in New Smyrna Beach, right in the downtown area, just over 1,500 square feet. The asking price on the property is $699,000. Quarter-acre lot, saltwater heated pool, humongous built-in, so much original character. The property is lovely.
I don't know if you said the year, but somewhere between 1908 and 1913. I don't know if you mentioned that or not. I do pay attention to you sometimes. But
thanks, man.
If you don't know who we are, my name is Chris Schwartz. This is my business partner and amigo, Tim Loomis. We are the owners of White Whale Real Estate. You've made it to the Living in New Smyrna Beach Real Estate channel. If you're wanting to stay up to date on all the latest and greatest everything that happens, whether it's real estate, news, just fun things happening, please remember to like, subscribe, and follow. We do get calls, texts, and emails from people every day just like you trying to make it to the area. So if you'd like to schedule a free consultation, click the link in the description below. We'll be happy to talk with you and see what we can do to help you get here. But in the meantime, let's get to the tour and see how beautiful this home is on the inside.
Let's go.
Life comes at you fast, so you need to stop and smell the roses or something like that. Ferris Bueller said. So anyway, fast is not what's happened in this house. This house has been curing for over 100 years. We've got heart of pine, one of my favorite parts of this house. It really brings the home together. These are original hardwood, heart of pine floors. They've been here somewhere since 1908 to 1913 when the home was originally built. They've been beautifully redone and refurbished back to their original condition. They are solid as a rock, and it just really makes the home stand out and pop.
Man, now, despite Lynn and Bill next door saying I look tired today, it's not because I just came out of the Harry Potter closet, or the closet in general. But one of the things I like about this house is the Harry Potter closet. It's very cool. It actually used to be an old telephone room. So there is if you look closer, there's a telephone wire going up the back of the closet. I think it's a cool little space, as well utilized. It's something that you find in older houses. I personally would probably put like, I don't know, a little like desk or something in there. I feel like I can get a lot of work done in there. But just one of the cool, quirky, awesome things about an older home.
All right, the kitchen, here we are, the heart of the home. As you guys know, my favorite spot. We are in a galley kitchen. This is gonna be more of a traditional style kitchen from the 1913 era. You're gonna have a little bit more compartmentalization throughout the house. So what I like about this kitchen is that it is very convenient. So you have lots of counter space on either side, and you have the open shelving style that's gonna allow you to be able to have quick access to all of your cooking utensils.
You have a 5-burner gas stove. This is gonna be on a natural gas burning. The pipe's coming up through the ground, so you don't have to worry about having a propane tank that you have to refuel. You always have it. Super nice too if you have power outages and things like that. Which also I'd like to mention, we are on the hospital grid here. The hospital is right behind us, so you're usually the last person to lose power and the first people to get it back. Great kitchen though, overall, very functional for the space that it's in. And on the other side of the kitchen, we have a functional spot that you can put a small little table to have a little bit more intimate setting and still allows you to utilize the kitchen if you don't have all the family and friends over. And of course you have the bigger formal dining room next door when you do have everybody over. But this is a fun little spot to be able to get all cozy up and not have to worry about setting up a big table. All right, so if we had to pick one word to describe this house, it would be character. There's tons of it throughout. We believe that this house was the original house for this entire block, which is why they're gonna have additional storage space that you're not used to seeing in the early 1900s. We have tons of built-ins, tons of closet space throughout. So this is gonna be one of the built-in closets here.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow.
Have that extra storage space that even some of the newer homes today don't really have a lot of. So you have space for days to be able to put all of your things that you have. Really unique features like having a built-in ironing board here, and you've got more built-in shelving here for whatever storage space that you need for clothes or whatever tchotchkes that you have. So lots of fun, unique features about this home.
Fire, fire! Nah, I'm just kidding. This is just your friendly reminder in the middle of this lovely video that you're watching to don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Also, I want to highlight another feature. This firebox here. So the bricks that you'll see on the screen right now are some of the original bricks from when this firebox was rebuilt. I don't think it's quite big enough, and the seller doesn't feel like you can burn an actual fire, but we think it was possibly for like maybe burning coal, candles, and if you're the new owner, you can pretty easily convert this to gas. So cool feature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Thank you guys.
So usually Tim's the one that's hanging out in the bathtub and talking about all the parties and people you can fit in here, but today it's me because I wanted to illustrate what a great job that the owners of this home did of turning a older home and making it functional while still keeping the old charm to it. I'm 6'3", 220, and I'm sitting in a soaking tub comfortably. So I'm pretty sure whoever is watching this video right now, you'll have plenty of room in here. Just a great feature to be able to have. You've got really nice chandeliers and different things to make you feel more at home. Again, they've incorporated different things throughout the house just to keep that old charm, but to add the new age functionality that we all need, want, and love.
All right, so let's take it to the outside. One of my favorite places of all the properties we visit because I like hanging out. This is just a lovely front porch. I don't know if you can hear the lawn man, like Chris and I mentioned in one of our previous videos. We always seem to record these videos right at the same time the guys cut the grass. But this is just a great spot to hang out, have your morning coffee, wait for your friends to pull up. You've got an awesome sized driveway here. You can fit about 4 or 5 cars. There's street parking here. And one of my absolute favorite parts about this front of the house here is these glass windows. They're original windows to the home. They have so much character. And to have that wavy seated glass, it's called, is just a great feature to have. The way the light comes through it just looks awesome. So what you're looking at right now is the saltwater natural gas heated swimming pool. Not too deep, not too shallow, just the right amount to get your toes wet when it's hot outside like it is now. Kind of wish I had my swim shorts on, but this property is just lovely. Not only is the neighborhood great, the neighbors are great, but it's a 1/4 acre and there's really endless opportunity with the size of this lot. If you look here, this little walkway, it leads back to an alleyway. So that's where you're gonna put your rubbish, if you want your rubbish, your trash, whatever you call it. If you wanted to go ahead and put like a little exterior garage out here with an upstairs office or apartment, that is a possibility. So really the opportunities are endless here. The lot, the location, the outside living space, this is just an oasis.
All right guys, so thanks for joining us on the tour of one of our newest listings, 512 Magnolia Street, New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Super beautiful home. Location is key here. You're about 10 minutes from being on the interstate, 10 minutes from having your toes in the sand. You're in between US 1 and the river. You're a block away from the river. So lots of great features to have, and you're right next to the downtown area as well.
Yep, it's a great spot. So reach out to us. It is presently under contract, but we are happy. We're still doing showings if anyone would like to see it. White Whale Real Estate, anything we could do to help you big or small, like, subscribe, and follow. and let us know what we can do to help.
Yeah, let us know what your favorite feature about this house
Yeah,
is.
do
We'd
that.
love to hear what you have to say about it, and also what other houses you'd like to see us do in the future. And we look forward to seeing you in next week's video.